Oh, by the way, the acrylic doesn't breathe, so get ready to sweat.
Okay, great. Hey, you guys, welcome back to Beauty Trippin. Today is a very special day for multiple reasons, but the most obvious reason we're so excited is it's Lauren's maiden voyage on Beauty Trippin.
Yay! I'm very excited.
Okay, so first things first, Lauren, we gotta read the clue. So I'm gonna let you do the honors.
Okay. Oh, cute. Okay. Two-faced or not two-faced? Huh?
What?
It's like a
Honestly,
Hamlet.
I feel like Jill's getting pretty desperate with some of these clues. Are we going to the Shakespeare Festival?
I really like it. I think this is very clever. Well done, Jill. I think we're gonna go.
Oh my gosh!
Get our
Duh!
faces done.
Two-Faced, the makeup brand.
Oh, she spelled it T-O-O.
It's gotta be that.
Yeah,
because,
that makes way more sense.
We've been huge fans of, I've been a huge fan of Too Faced since like high school, honestly, when I started wearing makeup, but our friend Candy Johnson had the most amazing collection with them, and all the makeup smelled like food.
like candy and stuff.
I might have
Oh, like Candy Johnson.
I might have licked a few of the items. They don't taste good, but they smell great.
I am Elise Renaud. I'm the global pro artist here at Too Faced, and welcome to Too Faced headquarters, where all the magic happens.
This is amazing.
And I'm so excited to give you guys a little bit of a tour to play with some of our Christmas products for this season, which have been like best-selling, selling out. We can't.
Christmas?
Yes.
She obviously loves Christmas. Like, it's Christmas for her literally every day.
Oh my God.
Yeah, me too. I already have my Christmas tree up. That's not a lie.
What?
Yeah,
you
I
can do that?
I do.
What day is it?
So we're gonna play with the gingerbread palette. It's a palette that keeps selling out, and I'm gonna do your makeup, and you are gonna follow along.
Fantastic. Sounds like I'm going to win.
Can she eat it?
Yeah, is it edible?
You know, like if that's your thing. No, don't eat it. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Don't eat it.
Okay.
All right, ladies, this is our studio. This is where we film all of our YouTube videos.
This is so cute.
This is amazing.
Yeah, just have a seat. I'm gonna do your makeup, and Jocelyn is going to follow along.
We know how this is gonna go.
So we're gonna be using our gingerbread palette.
Yeah.
We'll let you guys check them out.
Okay, cool.
So this palette kind of came about because we had a really big hit last year with our Gingerbread Man Melted Matte,
yes.
right? It's sold out. It
No,
was like,
I remember seeing this last year.
it was like the #1 selling thing at Sephora for Christmas.
Yes.
We're like, oh my gosh, there's so much room for people who like love this that we created a palette. You just smell it. It is like,
I just want to motorboat this. I just
do it.
Look at this mirror.
Everything in here is so cute.
I know.
And is there a prerequisite? Do you have to wear pink? Like, do you have to have pink hair?
You don't have to
'Cause
like
I'm okay with
wear
that.
pink or have pink hair, but it's highly encouraged.
It's like
Great.
on Wednesdays we wear pink, and Mondays, and Tuesdays, and
Every
Thursdays,
day.
and Fridays. Oh.
So I always like to start with eyes first. That way, if you get any fallout, like you don't have to be a professional, you can just
Okay.
clean it right off. So
Okay,
let's
cool.
start with a little shadow insurance. Crease proof, smudge
So
proof.
this is like a primer sort of thing? Or
Yes.
what is this?
This is an eyeshadow primer. And when you're using these like warm, beautiful colors, you really want to show like the true colors. And the key is, here's a little trick for you.
Okay.
Don't just stop right here. A lot of people just stop right here. Always take it out.
All the way
then
out?
you don't like run into trouble when you're blending.
I always run into trouble when I'm
It's
blending.
the worst, right?
I don't even know
how to blend.
So the first thing I'm gonna go in with is just a lighter color called Look at My Cookie. You guys already know
Look at
that's
my
like my
cookie,
favorite
please.
base shade.
Should I just be grabbing one of these Our Best Brush Set Ever sets?
let's bring that out, and I'll also give you, this is one of our Christmas brushes. So this is,
Christmas brush.
look, isn't she pretty?
She's gorgeous. And like when faced with the choice of making stuff cute or not cute, thank
Make
you
it
for
cute.
making it
Go one extra
You know,
step.
I look at my crease, and is it going just in the crease?
You're pressing it into your crease, and then you're gonna blend it up. And just keep a nice soft hand.
Oh,
Right.
that's the thing I'm not good at.
Yeah, so you're just creating like a nice little wash. And basically this like soft transition color, it's gonna make every other color that you layer on top a lot more easy to blend. So
Mine
yeah.
is
Yours
is it
looks
a little
great.
too
No.
pink?
Yours looks
No such
amazing.
thing.
No
Just sit where we are.
Okay, great.
No. Then we're gonna go in with the color Gingerbread. This one is just a little bit deeper, so we wanna keep that one in the crease. Don't blend up as much. We're gonna
Okay.
kind of start to create that depth.
Okay.
And we're just gonna sweep it softly. And then when you get to the inner corner of your eye, I always say, raise your eyebrow. Perfect. And then you can really blend into this inner spot
My Botox
right
is
here.
wearing off, so I can move my eyebrows again.
Isn't it weird? It's like, it's always
Freaks
so.
me out though.
All right, ladies, I'm gonna show you one of my favorite little artistry tricks when you wanna go in, you wanna add some smokiness, you wanna add some depth to the eye, but you don't wanna get that shadow everywhere.
No.
I just use a little tissue.
Okay.
I don't know if you're gonna be able to do this. It's gonna be, you could do this. Actually, I believe in you. So
See a
just
dream and
kind
believe
of
it.
fold
Wanna see it
it,
try.
and then you're gonna be able to like
Kind of fold it into
follow.
a taco.
Yeah, fold it. So then keep it in line with under your eye like this, and then 2-finger hold, like that.
Okay,
You got
awesome.
this.
And then I'm gonna hold the mirror like
Oh
this.
yeah, how do you do it not with that mirror?
know
Wait,
what?
I'm gonna help you. Okay, so we're gonna go in with the shade Figgy Pudding, which is this really pretty kind
Figgy
of,
pudding.
and then I'm just gonna start on the outside corner, and I'm gonna build some depth. Nothing too dark, it's still the daytime. And then I like to go take the brush that I already used and just blend out any harsh edge. of
Okay,
this
so I'm
trick.
gonna take my Figgy.
And you just wanna, you're doing such a great
Am
job.
I?
Yes. Yes. There might be a little bit too much shadow on there. So maybe when that happens,
so
no, this
sweet.
is good. Look at how beautiful you are.
It doesn't even look bad.
I'm sorry that you're perfection right now.
Thanks.
What makes a Too Faced palette a Too Faced palette? When Jared's creating them, he always throws in a fun like pop color. It's like our Too Faced wink. And this one's called Gumdrop. And I love using these bright colors just to kind of warm up the crease or like use as a wash. You don't necessarily have to go like full fuchsia on your eyeball. So what are you guys feeling? Is there any color that's like popping out
Oh my
to
gosh.
you?
Hot toddy.
You wanna do hot toddy?
And frostbite me.
And I like bake it till you make it.
Ooh. You can choose whatever shimmery
Okay.
color that you want. Like
Alright.
if something's speaking to you, I'm gonna do hot toddy.
Okay.
And I'm gonna use my finger. So
Alright.
using your finger is gonna give you like a lot of payoff.
Okay.
So you're just gonna press it in.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna start in the inner part of her lid. And I'm just gonna press.
Okay, the inner part. So
Yes.
kind of like over the eye, like the actual eyeball area. Like
Yes. But you know what would be pretty on you is to even brighten it up a little bit. Why don't you put a little spiked eggnog in
this
the inner?
inner?
Yes.
I love that.
So I'm just gonna add a little bit of the figgy pudding.
Oh, underneath?
Underneath.
Should I do that too?
Yes.
What brush are you using?
I'm using the little baby one.
baby
I just feel
brush?
like
Should we rename that one to the Jocelyn brush?
Yep,
we
baby,
should.
The baby brush.
Like I would have you do my eyeshadow. Like,
You would?
Look at your eyeshadow.
Did you hear
look
that,
like
Jill?
you look like a professional.
I look like a professional?
You do.
Enough.
Okay, so I'm putting Frostbite Me on your inner corner, and it is so sparkly and pretty. Look at this.
Did that. Oh, Lauren, you look so pretty. You have such good eyeballs.
So no Too Faced look would be complete without our best-selling Better Than Sex mascara.
Most
Like,
famous mascara on the planet,
I love this
honestly,
mascara.
for a reason.
Yeah.
And so this is our 20th anniversary packaging. This is a very special Better Than Sex. If you look at it, it actually has like the sparkliest.
Oh my gosh. This
Better
is
Than
a
Sex mascara.
sturdy mascara.
Yeah, I feel like this is a collector's item. You know, when like you're a little kid, you collect Barbie dolls.
Should I close
like,
it?
no, isn't it pretty?
Should I save it in my shadow box forever?
Oh, can I give you
Oh, am I
a
supposed to be
little
next?
tip?
I want all the tips.
Always put your bottom lashes on first. That way, when you look up, you don't have wet mascara on. You don't get it on your eyeshadow.
Okay, that is mind-blowing to me.
All right, so now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of highlighter. Let's frost you up. I'm gonna go in with our natural face palette. This is like my favorite thing. If you have any friends that are brides, like this is like the perfect like bridal face in one. So you get 2 highlighters, 2 blushes,
how
and 2
pretty.
bronzers.
So
But this is
pretty.
the highlighter that you've been like loving on me. It's got like a little bit of that pink
It's like iridescent.
tint. Yeah.
That's really beautiful.
So I like to do bronzer in like a 3. So like the top of, on you, I would just do a soft wash on your forehead. And then you have these like beautiful cheekbones. So let's get underneath the cheekbone like this. And then underneath
Wow.
the
This
chin.
smells
Some
good.
of that just went in my mouth.
Yes.
It tastes really good.
Right?
What is in that? It like it's in the air and I inhaled it.
I think that's like one of the things I love most about this brand is that like Jared really wants to bring joy back into women's life through makeup, and that's why our things are scented, where you open it up and he thinks like, oh my gosh, I hope that makes her smile.
It's all in the
You know?
small details.
Yeah.
It really is.
I hope this raises her blood sugar.
And then I'm just gonna start on the high points. I like to put a little bit above the arch of the brow, just to give a little lift. There's 2 little spots on your forehead, usually like a little bit right here.
Where
I just
your
like
horns would grow.
Yeah, I just like to catch it where the light would catch. It gives you that like just had a facial effect. And then I like it when you smile a little bit, and I like to hit where that, right?
With more of the
of the highlighter. Yeah, right where the light hits you. So this is a new product. This is our lip balm. Before we ever do a lip,
That's
I like to do a
amazing.
little lip balm, so you can
Okay.
just, it's fresh, so you can
Should I
just,
use my fourth finger? This smells awesome too.
it's so fun. And then I'm gonna swatch our gingerbread man and our gingerbread girl, so that you
Okay.
can see the colors. I'm gonna let you pick the colors. So this is our gingerbread man. It's like that beautiful, like
fun.
yellow pumpkin-y.
Sexy gingerbread.
And then this is our new little angel baby
Ooh,
on the block.
that's a fun one.
She's a little deeper. She's a little richer.
2018, I like her.
And you were so good at swabbing.
Smell this.
Arm swabs.
Swabbing.
You know.
Because we kind of did a little more intensity on the eye, I just want to go in and use it as a stain. So I'm just going to use a very little bit, and I'm going to use my finger, and I'm just going to start pressing it in, like you just had a gingerbread popsicle. Oh my God.
Sorry, I couldn't help myself. It smells so good.
And actually, I don't think I've used any of your. Is this a gloss?
Yes, this is our sweet peach creamy lip oil,
I'm
and it
drooling.
tastes so good, right?
I don't think I've used any of your glosses. It feels really good.
Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. Okay, let's finish off your look with a little Christmas frosting.
Yes,
A little
yes.
hairspray. You should put it in her hair.
Will
and
you?
She should put it
Yeah.
in yours. Just like go for it.
Yeah? Oh my gosh. Is it too much?
Ooh, it smells awesome.
Maybe I'll just do it.
Well, you said, literally said go for it.
Maybe just a little. Yeah, look at you like a twinkling angel. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, this was so much fun, but now let's give you a fun tour. Now that you have like all of your
Now that
glam,
we are okay to walk
We're
around
like
your building.
acceptable.
Like, yeah.
I know.
let's go take a tour of the Glam Factory. All right, so everything here is kind of like a photo moment. This is,
It's 3D.
I know.
Oh, you can
Don't you just
touch
want to like
it.
pick it off? It's the house of the peach tree.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
And you open them up.
Oh my gosh. Are these
That-
real peaches?
No.
Okay, that's good. They would probably.
Don't you wish these
rot.
grew on trees though?
Lauren, how does it feel? Better than Sex Mascara.
We lost her.
I love rugs.
All right, next up, our selfie room.
Okay, my makeup looks so good though.
This is one of my favorite walls. So if you work here, you get to have a picture of your pet on the wall.
Oh, cute.
Isn't it cute? So this is my dog, Penny. I'm trying to arrange a marriage between her and Clover.
That
She's
is-
wearing her Clover's Bay shirt.
That's
how you attract a
so
man. Yeah.
cute. You see
Yeah.
this? Get you know what done.
Oh,
I
that's
love
what that
this.
means.
This is so cute.
And now for the best part of the entire experience.
What?
I'm gonna take you in to meet Jared Blandino. He is our
Really?
Chief Creative Officer and co-founder and our like resident Willy Wonka.
Oh
Okay,
my
I'm
gosh.
so excited.
I'm nervous. I hope he likes my makeup.
He's gonna love you.
We're gonna do something super fun today, and I've got some presents. So, we are going to be having a gingerbread decorating contest. And because I love you girls, I got you your own matching Christmas sweater.
I
This is
have so many
amazing.
goosebumps right now. This is the best.
Honey, don't think you got out of this either.
God.
I'm just really excited to see you in real life because I feel like I know you from like Instagram.
I know, that's hot. So, girls, are you ready?
Yes, we're ready.
This
We're
is what
ready.
we're doing.
Okay.
This is our prototype of a perfect gingerbread.
Who made that?
This amazing bakery in Solvang called the Solvang Bakery made these for us. You do? Salvage. We're each gonna make our own version of that, but we only have 10 minutes.
Oh my god.
Okay?
That's just not enough
So,
time.
you guys prepare to battle. So open all your stuff.
Well, are we ready?
Oh God.
Go!
No! Okay, hold on, girls.
Wait, what happened?
Put your schmutzies on the top.
There's gonna be some sort of explosion happening.
What happened?
Can I just like,
Oh!
Take a bite.
It smells so good.
oh my gosh, take snow.
What the hell is it? It looks like brains.
Oh my God,
What
that
are you
looks
doing?
good.
All right,
I feel
no.
like this is what I was supposed to do.
Do you? It's like discovering your purpose.
Oh my gosh, these candies though.
Is it good?
Don't eat the candy, I almost broke my tooth.
Oh, too late. This is stressing me out. Where does the window go? 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
I'm panicking. I'm panicking.
You went rogue.
These are not edible.
Okay, go. Yay!
You just wave
We won! We won!
Okay, I'll dance with
it.
you.
We're have to eat the leftover frosting.
Yeah! What's that?
Oh my god.
What do we do from here?
You know what?
Let's take
We eat.
Yeah?
Happy holidays to you and yours.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, baby!
Okay, so Lauren, your first episode, honestly, I feel like you popped in on a really freaking great day.
I feel like I just got spoiled.
And where do we go from here?
Oh my
What
gosh.
do we do next?
This is like, we have peaked.
No, we truly
just
have.
got here,
We
and we
truly
peaked.
have. We truly have. But you know what, you guys? What a great way to kick off the holiday season. Leave a comment. Let us know what you thought. And also let us know if you have any other ideas for other products or other things you want us to try out, because like literally we need ideas.
Yeah.
Happy holidays.
Oh, happy holidays to you, Josh.
Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
You guys, the fun doesn't have to stop. Have you clicked over here to watch our new video? Because it's pretty freaking awesome. Almost as awesome as my makeup right now. Does it look good? Just say yes. You clicked? Just click, you guys. You're gonna love it.